Hello children, welcome back to GK class. Children, what is this? This is an aeroplane. Some of you must have this type of toy at your home. And I know all of you have seen aeroplanes flying in the sky, right? If you want to go to a far place by aeroplane, then where do you have to go? Yes, you have to go to the airport. And today we are going to learn about airport. So take your book and turn to page number 80. Page number 80. See, airport. Look at the page and you will see there are different pictures of an airport. Here it is picture of a building. Here is a radar tower. Down here it is runway. This is aeroplane, you know. Here it is called hangar. Look at here. This is vehicles used for fuel and transport. Down luggage container. Now we will learn something about these pictures. Children, if you want to go to a far off place by a flight or a plane, then first of all you have to go to the airport, and there you will see a building. What is the function of a building? There you have to buy the ticket, and your ticket will be checked by officers. Your luggage will be checked by the officers. You may have to wait there for your flight, so you can sit there. Seat arrangements are made for the people to wait for the flight. So all these things happen in the building. You can find so many officers are working there. Now you have got your ticket cleared. Your luggage is checked by the officer. Then you will be taken to the respective aeroplane by which you can fly off to the particular place where you want to go. Your luggage will be taken by the luggage container. The picture is given in your book. You can have a look there. And above the luggage container, you can see a vehicle carrying fuel. Every vehicle needs fuel. Without fuel, no vehicle can run. Apart from vehicle that runs by solar energy. For aeroplane, very high quality petroleum is used. Now on your left you can see the picture of an aeroplane, you can go inside the aeroplane and look for the air hostess who will help you to find out your seat. They will help you to get your belt ready, tighten your belt so that you are safe while the flight will take off. Now go to the other extreme right. There is the picture of hangar. Hangar is a closed building whose one side is open, other three sides are closed. Here aircrafts and airspace is kept. Now look at the picture. There is written runway. Runway is like a road. The plane has to run for some time before it takes off. And when the plane reaches to the destination, the plane has to land, otherwise how will come down and how will come out of the plane? So it requires a path or road. Here it is called runway. And on top you see there is a tower called radar tower. You must have seen traffic police control the vehicles or car movement on the road, and you must have seen the traffic control room on some important roads. Similarly, this is an air traffic control room from where informations and directions and supports are given to the pilot, means one who drives the plane. So accordingly he can safely take off his plane or land the plane on the ground. So he gets proper information from the radar tower. So children, you should memorize the names are given in the book. Thank you.